In our fast-paced world, where the noise of daily life is almost deafening, it often feels like peace and stillness are luxuries we can't afford. We rush from one task to the next, always striving for more, but in the pursuit of achievement, we lose touch with something far more valuable: inner peace. What if the answer to this constant hustle lies not in doing more, but in doing less? What if the key to true freedom is not found in accumulating more possessions or accomplishments, but in surrendering, becoming still, and simply being? Taoism, one of the oldest spiritual traditions in the world, offers a profound answer to this dilemma. Rooted in the belief that harmony with the natural world leads to peace and fulfillment, Taoism provides practical tools for finding balance and spiritual growth. Central to Taoist practice is meditation, a tool that helps practitioners connect to the Tao, or the natural flow of the universe, cultivating peace, wisdom, and spiritual insight. But how exactly does meditation play a role in Taoism, and what is its impact on spiritual growth? In this video, we will explore the profound role of meditation in Taoist practice, how it shapes one's spiritual journey, and how it can lead to a deeper connection with the self and the world around us. By understanding Taoist meditation, you can begin to see how stillness leads to wisdom, balance, and ultimately, a deeper sense of peace. Before we dive into the depths of Taoist meditation, let me take a moment to welcome you to the Unfolding Journey YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to exploring the transformative power of philosophy, spirituality, and mindfulness in our everyday lives. We delve into ancient wisdom, like Taoism, and break down timeless teachings to help us live more balanced, meaningful, and fulfilling lives in today's world. Whether you're seeking inner peace, spiritual growth, or practical tools to navigate life's challenges, you're in the right place. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our insightful content. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together, one step at a time. Now, let's get back to the heart of today's topic: the role of meditation in Taoist practice. At its core, Taoism is about finding harmony with the natural world and living in accordance with the Tao. The Tao is often translated as the way or the path, and it refers to the natural order of the universe that everything in existence follows. The Tao is not something that can be fully understood through intellectual reasoning. It must be felt, experienced, and lived. Taoism teaches us that by aligning ourselves with the Tao, we can lead lives of simplicity, peace, and joy. Meditation, in the context of Taoism, is not just about relaxation or stress relief. It is a deeply spiritual practice aimed at connecting with the Tao and cultivating inner stillness. Taoist meditation encourages practitioners to turn inward, to quiet the mind, and to tune into the natural rhythms of the universe. By doing so, one can experience a state of flow where the boundaries between the self and the world dissolve, and everything becomes interconnected. In Taoist thought, the concept of Wu Wei, often translated as non-action or effortless action, is key to understanding the role of meditation. Wu Wei does not mean doing nothing. It means acting in harmony with the natural flow of things, without force or resistance. Taoist meditation embodies this principle. By practicing meditation, one learns to let go of the need to control or manipulate, allowing thoughts, emotions, and energies to flow naturally. This creates a state of balance and peace, where actions are taken spontaneously and in harmony with the Tao. Taoist meditation can be broadly divided into two main categories: sitting meditation and moving meditation. Both types share the goal of achieving spiritual growth through the cultivation of inner stillness, but they do so in different ways. Sitting meditations, Sitting meditation is the most traditional form of Taoist meditation. It involves sitting in a comfortable yet alert posture, focusing on the breath, and allowing thoughts and emotions to pass without attachment. The goal is to quiet the mind and enter a state of pure awareness, where one can experience the Tao directly. In Taoist meditation, practitioners often focus on specific breathing techniques, such as abdominal breathing or reverse breathing, to help calm the mind and center the body. A common Taoist meditation practice is called the inner smile, which involves visualizing a smile directed inwardly to different parts of the body, fostering a sense of warmth, healing, and relaxation. This practice helps to cultivate a positive, peaceful mindset while opening the practitioner to the energy of the Tao. Moving meditation, Tai Chi and Qigong. Moving meditation in Taoism is embodied in practices like Tai Chi and Qigong. Both of these ancient practices involve slow, deliberate movements combined with mindful breathing. The movements are designed to cultivate and balance the body's energy, or Qi, also spelled Qi, promoting physical health and spiritual well-being. The practice of Tai Chi, for example, emphasizes the flow of energy through the body, with each movement performed in a relaxed, meditative state. Qigong also focuses on cultivating energy within the body, but it can involve a wider range of exercises, including standing, sitting, and lying down. Moving meditation connects the mind, body, and spirit, enabling practitioners to harmonize their internal energy with the external world. The fluid movements and deep breathing help to release tension, strengthen the body, and clear blockages in the energy pathways. These practices encourage the cultivation of inner peace and spiritual growth by teaching practitioners to move through life with grace, balance, and mindfulness. Taoist meditation offers a wide array of spiritual benefits, many of which are deeply tied to the core principles of Taoism. By consistently practicing meditation, Taoists believe that individuals can experience profound changes in both their inner and outer worlds. Some of the most notable spiritual benefits include achieving inner peace. One of the primary goals of Taoist meditation is to cultivate inner peace. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to become overwhelmed by stress, anxiety, and negative emotions. Meditation helps to quiet the mind, reduce mental chatter, and release emotional tension, fostering a sense of calm and tranquility. This inner peace is essential for living a balanced, harmonious life, which is at the heart of Taoist philosophy. Cultivating self-awareness. Meditation in Taoism is also about self-awareness. By turning inward and observing the mind without judgment, practitioners can gain insight into their true nature. Through consistent practice, one begins to understand their thoughts, emotions, and desires more clearly, leading to greater self-knowledge and personal growth. This self-awareness allows individuals to make choices that align with their authentic self, rather than being swayed by external influences or fleeting desires. Developing compassion and wisdom. Taoist meditation encourages practitioners to cultivate compassion, both for themselves and others. By quieting the mind and connecting with the Tao, individuals can experience a deeper sense of interconnectedness with all beings. This understanding fosters empathy, kindness, and compassion. Additionally, meditation helps to develop wisdom as it allows individuals to see beyond the surface of things and understand the underlying truths of existence. Strengthening the body and energy. Taoist meditation practices like Tai Chi and Qigong are not only beneficial for spiritual growth, but also for physical health. These practices focus on balancing the body's energy and improving circulation, flexibility, and strength. By cultivating and circulating Qi, life force energy, practitioners can enhance their overall vitality and longevity. Connecting with the Tao. Ultimately, the goal of Taoist meditation is to connect with the Tao itself, the natural order of the universe. In Taoism, it is believed that by meditating and quieting the mind, we can align ourselves with the Tao, experiencing the flow of the universe and becoming one with it. This connection leads to spiritual enlightenment, where the practitioner realizes their true nature and their place in the grand scheme of existence. Spiritual growth in Taoism is a lifelong journey of alignment with the Tao, self-realization, and inner transformation. Meditation plays a crucial role in this process by helping practitioners overcome their ego, attachments, and mental distractions, leading to a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Through meditation, Taoists believe that individuals can transcend the limitations of the mind and body, entering a state of pure consciousness where they experience unity with the Tao. This spiritual awakening leads to a life of greater harmony, fulfillment, and wisdom. In Taoism, Spiritual growth is not about seeking external validation or achieving worldly success. It is about aligning with the natural flow of life and embracing the simplicity and peace that come with it. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful and transformative practice in Taoist spiritual growth. Through sitting meditation, moving meditation, and the cultivation of inner stillness, Taoist practitioners can connect with the Tao, experience inner peace, and develop wisdom and compassion. Meditation is a tool for not only achieving spiritual growth, but also for aligning with the natural rhythms of life. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the role of meditation in Taoist practice. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how Taoist meditation can lead to spiritual growth, peace, and enlightenment. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe to the Unfolding Journey YouTube channel. We'll continue exploring ancient wisdom, spiritual practices, and mindfulness techniques that can help you live a more balanced and meaningful life. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this unfolding journey toward greater self-awareness and inner peace. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all our latest content. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. Until next time, may your path be peaceful and aligned with the flow of the Tao.